Hello, in this video I'll make a scrunchie with the net fabric. For this we need a 4-inch wide net fabric strip and the length would be 36 inches. That is longer than the length of satin fabric for the small size scrunchie, but here we will be using 36 inches because in this case we are using the net fabric, so we need a longer strip. For this scrunchie we will be using 8 inches long elastic, and now you have to fold the net right side inside and then we will stitch the edges. Make sure to back stitch the edges. Since my sewing machine has some problem with the back stitch, so I used to switch it twice on the edges. Now we will flip this strip inside out. Since it is little long strip, so it's taking little bit time. After flipping it, we will insert elastic in this strip. For this I will be using this tool. Now we will tie the knot of the elastic and make sure it's secure, it's tight. After that we will play with the scrunchie so it's in right shape. And the fabric is even on each side, and after that now we will make all the net fabric even on the elastic. and then we will handle the open edges. We will put one of the open edge inside the other one, and we have to fold the outer edge little bit inside so we don't see any extra threads coming out. Yeah, after that we will sew these open edges with the sewing machine, and yes, we have our beautiful scrunchie ready. And now we have our beautiful scrunchie, net scrunchie. If you like the video, please make sure to give it a like, and also subscribe to my channel if you like my content. Thank you very much for watching.